Guten Tag, meine Damen und Herren. In this video, I'll be making an Oktoberfest nail game, also called a Nagelbalken in German, and known by some other trademark names in the US. Probably the hardest part of building this is getting a piece of log to use. Thankfully, I have a trunk of a maple tree that was cut down in my yard last year that was perfect for this purpose. If this is something you're interested in building, I have a set of plans available for sale on my website. This game is easily made with 4 2x4s and some decking screws. I start by squaring off one end of the 2x4 and then measure and cut out the 4 pieces for the top skirt. Assembling the top is easily done with 2 decking screws in each corner. After assembling, I check the top for square. Next is to cut out the 8 pieces for the legs. The legs are screwed together in an L shape, so you need 2 pieces per leg. I use 3 screws per leg to join the pieces. For fastening the legs to the top skirt, I use 4 screws total. I first fasten 1 screw to hold the leg in place, then use a framing square to ensure that the leg is square to the top skirt. Next is to cut the top frame pieces, which have 45-degree miters at the corners. To help support the stump, I cut a piece to fit inside the frame and toe screwed it in place. The top frame and this middle piece give lots of places to screw the stump down. There are variations in this game, but the general premise is this. Each person taps a nail into the stump to get started. Then, each person takes a swing at their nail and passes the hammer. The last person to drive their nail flush is the loser, and usually buys the next round of drinks. Some game variants use a cross-peen hammer to make it more difficult. I recommend using cut masonry nails instead of wire nails, since they don't bend as easily, and they get progressively harder to nail in as you go. So, for your next Oktoberfest party, put one of these together. This game is sure to be a hit with your friends. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and as always, danke fürs Zuschauen.